Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some 5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday, April the 15th at Dollar General. And man, do we have some amazing deals. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a bunch of other Dollar General videos for you all this week. So if you missed any of them, make sure that you go and check them out. I'm going to have them all linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. And I also want to say thank you all so much, because we finally hit 40,000 crazy couponers this week, and that is just absolutely amazing. I am so grateful for each and every one of you all. And I also want to say welcome to all the new crazy couponers. If you are new here, please leave me a comment down below so that I can welcome you into our crazy couponing community. All right, now let's go ahead and jump into the deals. First up, we have this amazing sale going on the Purple Dot home items. This does include the home decor items, the rugs, the toss, and the bed pillows, the bedding, bath, tabletop, and kitchen items. These are going to be on sale. Buy one, get one for free until Sunday, April the 16th. So definitely take advantage of this sale if you see anything out there that you have to have. Now, we also received a new buy one, get one free coupon this morning, and this is on all of the Dollar General, like cups, mugs, plates, bowls, all of those things. They start out at just $1 each. So if you get into the store on Saturday and you need a filler item, this would be really good to throw in, because like I said, a lot of those little plates and cups are just $1 each. So you're going to pay $1 for 2 items. Now, I also want to go ahead and mention Ibotta, because we are going to include some Ibotta rebates in with our 5 off $25 scenarios, and some accounts may have received this 25-cent rebate on any receipt. So it doesn't even matter if you have another rebate on that receipt or not. Make sure that you scan in a Dollar General receipt to your Ibotta account. That way you can get that extra 25 cents back, because it definitely does add up in the end. I also wanted to go ahead and mention this Ibotta rebate. This is another buy one, get one free deal, and this is on the Splenda Peel and Pour Pod. So you have to buy 2, and you're going to get back $6.99. And then we still have this 50% off rebate on the Dunkin' Donuts cold coffee. So you can pick up one of those, and you're going to get a total of $4 back. All right, so let's go ahead and kick off our 5 off $25 scenarios with a Gain deal. So for this one, you want to pick up 2 of the Gain Scented Mr. Clean Freak spray bottles at $6 each. 1 of the Gain Scented Febreze small spaces at $3.25. 1 of the Gain liquid laundry detergent priced at $5.50. 1 of the Gain laundry products priced at $4.50. You can choose from the flings, the fabric softener, the fireworks, the dryer sheets. Then you want to pick up 1 of the Gain Scented Swiffer products priced at $5.50. You can choose from the mop refills, or I think there's also a duster starter kit. Then we're going to top it off with the Crest Prohealth toothpaste for $1 and the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrush for $1, and that's going to put your subtotal at $32.75. And here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need your 5 off 30 Gain, your 5 off 25, your $5.50 off 2 Mr. Clean products, your $2.30 off 1 Febreze small spaces, the 1 off 1 Gain laundry product, the 2 off 1 Swiffer product, the 2 off 1 Crest toothpaste, and the 2 off 1 Oral-B toothbrush. Your subtotal after coupons will be $7.95 for all 8 items, making each one just 99 cents each. Now, if you don't have the Crest and Oral-B, or if your stores don't give overage anymore, don't worry about it. Just leave those 2 items off, and that's going to put your subtotal at $30.75. And after coupons, you're going to pay $9.95 for 6 items, making each one just $1.65 each. Now, we are all going to ignore the typo, okay? I don't want to see any comments pointing out my typos. We're just going to move right on into our next scenario and forget that that ever happened, okay? So for our next deal, you want to pick up 1 of the Arm & Hammer laundry products priced at $4.25. You can pick up the liquid laundry detergent, the pods, or the scent beads. Then you want to pick up 1 of the Snuggle liquid fabric softeners priced at $3.95. 2 of the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser 3-packs at $3.25 each. 1 of the Febreze small spaces at $3.25. 1 Airwick warmer at $2.25. 1 of the Splenda 3.8-ounce bags at $2.75. one of the Made in Idaho potatoes for $1, one of the Welch's 64-ounce juices at $3.50, one of the Crest Prohealth toothpaste for $1, and one of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes for $1, and that's going to put our subtotal at $29.45. And here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 125 off one Arm & Hammer, the 150 off one Snuggle, the 325 off two Mr. Clean products, the $2.30 off one Febreze Small Space, the 2 off one Wick warmer, the 2 off one Splenda, the 125 off one Welch's, the 2 off one Crest, and the 2 off one Oral-B. Your subtotal after coupons will be $6.90 for 11 items. But this still gets even better because right now on Ibotta we have that $1 rebate back on the Splenda. So you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, get $1 back, and then we also have 1,000 points back on Fetch Rewards right now for the Welch's juice. So you're going to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, get $1 back there, and that's going to make your final price $4.90 for 11 items, making each one just 44 cents each. Now again, if you don't have the Crest and Oral-B, don't worry about it. Just leave those items off. That's going to put your subtotal at $27.45. After coupons, you're going to pay $8.90 for 9 items. Then you're going to get $2 back from Fetch and Ibotta, making your final price $6.90 for 9 items, making each one just 76 cents each. All right, next up, for this one, you want to pick up 2 of the Dawn Easy Squeezes at $2.85 each, one of the Splenda 3.8-ounce bags at $2.75, one of the Finish Power 12-count dishwasher tablets at $3.45, one of the Finish Quantum 12-count dishwasher tablets at $4.45, one of the Children's Allegra liquids at $10.50, one of the Crest Prohealth toothpaste for $1, and one of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes for $1, and that's going to put your subtotal at $28.85. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the $2.99 off 2 Dawn products, the 2 off 1 Splenda, the 150 off 1 Finish, the 2 off 1 Finish, the 5 off 1 Allegra, the 2 off 1 Crest, and the 2 off 1 Oral-B. After coupons, you're going to pay $6.36 for 8 items. But then this still gets even better because we have a ton of Ibotta rebates. So you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, get $1 back on the Splenda, 75 cents back on the Finish Power dishwasher tablets, $1 back on the Finish Quantum dishwasher tablets, and then you're going to get back $4 on the Children's Allegra. So that is going to make your final price completely free plus a 39-cent moneymaker. Plus, if you also get that 25-cent any receipt rebate back on Ibotta, that makes it a 64-cent moneymaker, so even better. Now again, if you don't have the Crest and Oral-B, don't worry about it. Just leave those items off. That's going to put your subtotal at $26.85. And after coupons, you're going to pay $8.36 out of pocket. But then you're going to get back $6.75 from Ibotta, making your final price $8.61 for 6 items, or just 26 cents each. All right, now I have one more deal to share with you all, and for this one, we are going to include the instant savings on the Dove products. So when you purchase 2, you're going to instantly save $2 at the register. So we're going to pick up one of the Dove men's shampoo priced at $5, one of the Dove women's shampoos priced at $6, one of the Believe Beauty nail polishes priced at $1.25, 2 of the Dawn Easy Squeezes priced at $2.85 each, one Wick warmer at $2.25, one Febreze warmer at $3.25, one of the Febreze small spaces at $3.25, one of the Crest Prohealth toothpaste for $1, and one of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes for $1, and that's going to put your subtotal at $28.70. But then that $2 in instant savings will come off first at the register, so your subtotal is going to be $26.70. All right, and here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Dove and Axe DG store coupon, the 2 off 1 Dove hair care product, the 2 off 1 Dove Men Plus care product, the 1 off 1 Believe Beauty nail, $2.99 off 2 Dawn, 2 off 1 Wick warmer, $2.30 off 1 Febreze warmer, $2.30 off 1 Febreze small spaces, the 2 off 1 Crest, and the 2 off 1 Oral-B. And after coupons, you are going to pay just $2.11 for 10 items, making each one just 21 cents each. All right, guys, now I won't keep you all much longer, but I do want to remind you all before you go, don't forget about that any receipt rebate on Ibotta. And of course, always scan every single receipt into Fetch Rewards because you will earn points on every single receipt, no matter which items you pick up. Even if we don't have a bonus for it, you're still going to earn points, and then you can turn those points into money later on down the line. So make sure that you guys are signed up for both of those rebate apps. If you're not, my referral codes are on the screen, as well well as down in the description box below with some other rebate apps that I use all the time. So make sure that you check out the pinned comment. Like I said, it's right down below this video. And before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It is absolutely free. And you know what else is free? Because we all love free stuff around here. Hitting that thumbs up button and leaving a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a fantastic weekend and I will see you on the next one.